All right, what we're looking at here is a situation with no movement after you've put a valve body in this unit. And one of the things we want to do is we take the valve body off. We have a seal in the case that seals to the valve body. We usually want to change that. And because we're not actually overhauling the unit, or maybe we are, but we're changing the valve body anyway, if we are doing that, then you'll have a seal in the kit. As always, make sure you got the right kit for the application. 8L45 is dimensionally different internally, and there will be differences in the kit. So, if you're working on a 45, have one kit for that. 90, have the kit for that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to replace this seal, especially if we're overhauling it. But if we're changing the valve body only, we may want to replace the seal because we want a new one between there that's not crushed for how many ever miles is on the vehicle. So we might look to our miscellaneous stuff that we have in the shop, or we might try and order the seal if that's possible. I really don't know if it is. In any case, what you want to be aware of is, and we're showing this to you on page 67, is there is a difference in length between the 8L45 and the 8L90. As you can see, the 8L45 is a longer seal. In other words, there's a greater distance from the case to the center support. And of course, in the 8L45, so we need a longer seal. You could see that the 8L45 seal is 33.5 millimeter, but the 8L90 seal on the right hand side there is 23.1 millimeter, so it's shorter because the center support closer to the case. You have a 10.4 millimeter difference, or 409 thousandths if you're so inclined. So we want to be aware of this, because the wrong seal, obviously if you put the taller one where the shorter goes, you're going to have a tough time bolting the valve body down. But the other way, yeah, it'll go in nice and easy, but it won't reach the center support, so therefore it won't feed that clutch. Which, notice, it is 1, 2, 3, 8 reverse, so you have 1. That means we take off initially on this reverse, we back up on this clutch. So you don't move if it's not working, not applying. So, easy way to identify the 8L90 seal. 5 ID notches. You have this on page 68. We show you that it has notches in the top crown of the seal. If you see those, you have an 8L90 seal. If it's flat, you have an 8L45 seal. And that's how you'll tell.
Thank you for watching. For all confirmed fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.